YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We're going to dive right into the Shiba Inu charts. But guys, before we do that, if you're not yet tapped in with us on Discord, make sure you join us on Discord. It is a totally free resource, and that is something that's going to help you guys a great deal because you'll be able to ask me questions, also ask questions to other top traders, and maybe you have something that you even want to contribute to that group. So make sure you join us on there. We're giving a lot of really great knowledge on there and a lot of really great picks, and we just follow the market daily, which is what you want in a team. You want to be a part of a group that is following this market daily so that you don't miss anything, guys. But today we're going to dive right into the Shiba Inu charts because this is a coin that we've been talking about now since June, since we really started seeing a floor on this, right? We talked about this floor possibly being a bottom, and guys, we hit the nail on the head. This looks like it was a perfect double bottom, and ever since then, SHIB's been making new higher highs on the 3-month. Also, 1 month looking very solid as well. I know a lot of people saw this big spike up and this consolidation right here before we broke down and thought that this could have more downside. Even I myself said that we need to be paying attention to this, but after today's pump, guys, this is very bullish because, again, SHIB's still making new higher highs on the 3-month, and now we are, going up and testing some more resistance that we had just broken, and we didn't break down to that 12 range, which is really what I was mostly concerned about. I was concerned that we'd break down to the 12 range because then we have a little bit of support at the 12 range before we go back to the 10. So the fact that SHIB decided that it wants to continue to make new all-time highs, guys, this is very good, and this is why we talked about dollar cost averaging into this project and buying the dips, because it's important that we look macro, because if you're looking just on the daily chart and you see something like this, you might think, hey, I already missed this pump, I should I sell right now? But if you look a little more macro, you'll see that not only did you not miss the pump, but this thing is clearly in a recovery stage. And if you're just patient and you just keep buying some of these dips, that you can make some good gains. But the key also is to make sure that we're actually taking out our initial investment, right? That's something that a lot of people don't really do. It's something that maybe you didn't do the first Shiba Inu run, or maybe you forgot to do, or maybe you thought that you could just hold this coin for the next 5 years and it would make you very rich. I do think that that can happen. I do think that if you hold SHIB for the next 5 years, it can make you a lot of money. But I do also think that if you take profit and you buy the dip, it'll make you a lot more money, and you'll actually make back your initial investment, which is really what investing is all about, guys. You don't want to have a 20-year return on investment. That's ridiculous, especially if your investment's like $1,000. You don't want to wait 20 years to make your investment back. That's just not something that's smart. I don't know why a lot of traders talk about doing that kind of stuff, like holding a coin for 20 years and not ever taking profit. This is not really good investment strategy. It's not anything that a professional investor would tell you. It's not something that a financial advisor would tell you. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't see how that could be good financial advice to just hold on to a coin for 20 years. Now, I did say that there's some speculative coins that I have that I've bought that I just kind of sit and I forget about, and that's because they're insanely speculative coins. Like for me, Terra Luna Classic, that's an insanely speculative play, and I just threw some dollars in there. I'm not even dollar cost averaging into it anymore. I just threw some money at it, and I'm just going to leave the money there, and I'm going to see what happens to the coins. Either they're going to grow and I'm going to make a lot of money next 5 years, or they're not. But that's not an investment strategy that I would have with a coin like Shiba Inu, just because these meme coins will have their time. They will shine. I think SHIB will lead the pack, but I do know how fast this top comes, and I know how fast the sell-off happens too. So we don't want to get stuck with the bags, right? This is what happened in October. A lot of people still stuck with October's bags, and again, now we're almost entering into October again. In just 1 month, it's going to be October. So it took an entire year from this all-time high. We don't want to be stuck in a trade like that again. If you guys are somebody that's stuck in this trade, I would definitely, if you've been accumulating, which is something again that we've been talking about on the channel, even when you're down in your portfolio, let's say you missed the top and you missed every single line of support on the way down, and you're still stuck in SHIB. guys, you can make all your money back and then some if you just keep dollar cost averaging. You know, if SHIB rips up to a new all-time high and you bought even more bags at this price, you're going to be very happy versus if you would have sold your bags at the very top. You would be probably out of this market. You'd probably be very cynical, like a lot of people are. And you have to remember that, guys. A lot of people left this market and they're still cynical. They're going to be back. They're going to come back. They're going to be telling you how they regretted their decision, how they did something that was very rash. They didn't think about it, and how they needed the money, and how now they're having to rebuild their portfolio all over again. And you're going to hear a lot of other stories of people that were patient, that just diamond hands it out and are now starting to see profit, even if it takes months, guys. That's the thing. Like, and that's why we talk about so much not investing money that we need, right? We invest money that we can afford to lose so that we don't have to sit and watch these trades for all day long. You know, we don't sit and watch trades all day long. We do sit and watch some charts as far as breakouts and stuff like that, because a lot of people that watch this channel do swing trade. But if you're really confident in your investment, guys, and you're comfortable dollar cost averaging, if you set in your mind that you're going to be holding this for the next 5 years, but you're actually going to be dollar cost averaging and taking profit along the way to make sure that you actually make your money back, which again is the whole point of investing, I think you got a winning strategy with Shiba Inu. And that's, again, why we talk about it so much on this channel. It's why we're going to continue to talk about it on the channel. Even as it rips to new all-time highs, we're still going to be posting new Shiba Inu videos because, guys, we've seen it happen so many times. Literally, we've called every Shiba Inu pump in the past on this channel, and this one I'm sure will be no different. I actually feel more confident in this pump than I have in prior pumps before when I knew that SHIB was even going to pump. But something in my gut is just telling me that the SHIB army is just stronger than ever, that we are going to see new all-time highs. And you guys have to remember that the top 100 Ethereum whales are holding Shiba Inu. So there's a lot of big money that knows about SHIB, that is waiting on another pump. And again, there is also 1.7 million people watching this on CoinMarketCap. So every time they see that the 24-hour volume is up 123% like today, they're going to want to get involved in the market, whether that be long in the market, short in the market, or just buying some coins and sitting on them. This is what we want, guys. We want interest in Shiba Inu. This is what's going to catapult us in the bull rally, because this is what exchanges look for. They look for what people are buying in bear markets so that they can list in a bull market and they can get all those new investors onto their platform buying new coins and stuff like that. So that's why we saw last year that SHIB listed on like 100 different exchanges in like 11 months. That was insane. But I actually see something like that happening again. I do see SHIB being on any type of trade platform. Again, we already got Robinhood. We've already got Coinbase. We've already got crypto.com. These are things that we were talking about a year ago, a year and a half ago, that a lot of people said would never happen. A lot of people were laughing at us, right? A lot of people would come in my channel and talk so much in my comment section about how crazy I was for thinking that a coin like Shiba Inu can end up on Binance or can end up on crypto.com. And look, guys, again, we shocked the world. A lot of people said that this coin would never hit $1 billion market cap. At its peak, we were over 40 billion market cap. So again, guys, I don't think so much of what other people say. I look at the facts. I look at history. I see how it repeats itself. Again, what we saw with SHIB is kind of like what we saw with Doge. And that's why I really got involved in the community. One, the community, when I got involved, it had maybe like 1,200 people involved in Shiba Inu. And it was a Telegram. It was a lot of spam. The moderators were really not controlling it very well. But I would see every time that Elon Musk would go make a Dogecoin post, that everybody in SHIB would go jump on it, and they would spam on it, and they would make sure that SHIB got the attention that it deserved. And guys, it did. And there's something to say about a community like that, that has that kind of power, that could go to the richest man in the world and post so much on his Twitter that he actually has to take knowledge of what's going on with this coin, because a lot of people go comment on Elon Musk's wall and they don't get any type of response. So the fact that the community was able to do that not once but a couple times, get Elon to talk about this coin, is something that I really think is going to be really big in the future, because now the word's out and a lot of big entertainers, a lot of big investors now know about this coin, and a lot of people are watching this. So again, we got the institutional wealth that we wanted, but we're also seeing the volatility that comes with having that type of money in the market, right? When you have big money in the market, when they sell, you're going to be hurting. So Just understand that. Understand we are in a volatile market. But guys, SHIB is actually one of the best cryptocurrency assets to be holding in terms of volume right now on this dip. And that's why, again, why we keep talking about it. And there's no surprise, guys, as you guys can see, up 122% in 24-hour volume. This is a lot of trade action. And it's good, guys. Good or bad, it's good because you can make money on it, whether it's a short or whether it's a long. You have a chance to make money, and that is the plays that we look for, guys. If you enjoyed this video and want more Shiba Inu, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, guys, join us on Discord. I created a totally free Discord. It's for you guys to benefit from. You can come in there, ask me questions, ask a lot of my other members questions. Some of those guys have made big money off of this coin, 6 and 7 figures even off of Shiba Inu alone, but a lot of other coins that we talk about on this channel. So make sure that you tap in for this bull run, because if Shiba Inu decides it wants to run, there will be no better channel on YouTube to be watching for those 10x, 100x, and 1000x gains in your altcoins. Again, make sure you tapped in. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.